new. Adam, ready? Yes! It's a flashcard! Got a new one. Yeah. Oh, no. Ah, 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 oh, oh. What's this? Color. Numbers. You order? You did? Oh, that's nice. Yay! Got numbers. Wow! The nice Canuck. Hot air balloon, seahorse. What else? Wow.
You open.
This one is Adam. Shapes. And this one is colors. Oh, only yellow. It's a pre-buy. Got previous baby. Woo! Got sea animals then. Oh. Alright. Alright, Adam. Wow. Ooh, this. Vehicles. You like it? Whoa, whoa, wow. Oh. Wow. Grabe ka na. Do you like it? How about this one? Ooh, wow. This one is shapes. We got sea animals. This one, sea animals. Are you ready for this? Huh? Oh, yo! Nako, sea animals. Wow. Tuna, this tuna.